Let's make some simple oatmeal that doesn't taste like cardboard. Here's what you need. This is oatmeal. It's the quick oats. I think it's like Quaker Minute Oats. I have to sneeze. Nothing happened. You need a bowl. You need some Premier protein. This flavor is oats and maple. It's so good. You can froth it and put it into coffee to add protein. It tastes literally divine. And then you get protein, which is like amazing. And then I like to put just like half a banana in it. First you need half a cup. I think it would be kind of silly to put oat milk in oatmeal. It's just too much oat for me. That's a 4th cup. Wait, do I do half a cup? It seems like a lot. That seems like too much. I'll do a little bit less. Okay, oatmeal, done. Next, shaky, shaky, shaky. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Just gonna pour some of that in there. Isn't that good? That seems right. I like to put a little bit extra because it like cooks pretty quickly in the microwave. So I put extra because I don't like it to be super hard, but I don't like it to be too full. And then you just put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. So here's the thing, I need to lose weight and it's time to get serious about it. I cannot afford to keep buying new clothes because I can't fit in the clothes that I already have. You know how like you walk from like the table to the couch? I feel like I'm rolling, like my body is like rolling instead of walking. That's not normal. I overall just feel like yuck, you know what I mean? Like I need to like focus on myself more and my health rather than like feeling sad and depressed and like eating. And then like overall I just like don't feel strong. I bent over yesterday to pick something up off the floor and I'm pretty sure I broke my entire body. Is that? I may have put too much milk. Okay, I think I put too much milk. I'm gonna heat it up a little bit more. It's done. Oh my gosh, it looks so much better. So this one I did for 2 minutes, but I definitely had too much milk. So I wouldn't suggest always doing it for 2 minutes. It's supposed to be 1.5 minutes. Don't make fun of me, this is the only knife I have right now. Boom. So I'm gonna come up with a plan. It's not gonna be a strict plan, it's gonna be more of a guideline to just eating healthy. It just is more fun this way. Why am I like this? We're just gonna plop that in there. If you want, you can put like honey or something else, but like literally just eating it like this, it's so good. So here's what I'm not gonna do. I'm not gonna make a strict plan because what always happens is that I get a personal trainer or I make up a plan and it's like so strict that I can't stick for it that long. Like I have a lot of weight to lose, okay? And I can't do that for a whole year, just eat chicken and vegetables and rice. Like mentally, I will go absolutely insane. Instead, I'm gonna make more of a guideline and I'm just going to hold myself accountable and post videos about it, obviously, for you guys to also feel inspired and motivated and to know it's okay to just like be a fat girl trying to live your best life. I mean, last night I ate half a box of pasta. That's not good portion control. And the only reason I didn't eat the other half of the box is because my husband was home, so he ate the other half of the box. I'm going to focus on adding more vegetables. I'm going to focus on drinking more water. I'm going to focus on just getting more nutrients in my diet. I'm gonna focus on doing workouts that make me feel good. I'm not gonna be doing workouts that make me feel completely dead at the end. I'm gonna focus on workouts that are going to make me feel stronger and more energized. If I don't feel that way after the workout, guess what? I'm not doing it again. I'm not doing it again. No. Anyways, let's try this oatmeal. Oh, so good. You got banana in there. You got the oats. Tastes like a maple bar. It tastes like a maple donut with a banana in it. 2 minutes later, I have a really good breakfast. It's low cal, has protein. It is so good. And I don't need it to be super fancy. It doesn't need to be super fancy to be good. Like literally this is 3 ingredients and that's all I need. Shut the front door. Who gave this oatmeal permission to be this good? Thumbs up this video, subscribe to find out what the plan is so you can stay motivated, stay tuned to see the progress, This is gonna be like a whole year of a journey. So there's a lot to cover. My next video, I'll have my guidelines. And then also comment below any tips or tricks that you have found to help you lose weight. I will comment on those and do follow-up videos with those as well, because I have lots of opinions about weight loss because I've pretty much done everything under the sun.